Okay. Have you ever felt like stuck, in a design rut? Like your living room is just like, hey, I need a makeover,
Uh,
but you just don't even know where to start?
oh,
I've
yeah.
been there.
It can be overwhelming.
Feel totally overwhelmed.
So many choices, and then that fear of like messing it up.
Yeah, what if I make a huge mistake? So
Exactly.
that's where we're looking at this new tool today.
Yeah, this could be a game changer.
It's called HomeDesignsAI. And it's basically like this, you upload a picture of your space,
Uh-huh.
you pick a style, and then boom,
Boom.
the AI, it generates like a whole redesigned image in seconds.
It's pretty amazing.
I was so skeptical at first.
Yeah, I can
I
imagine.
was like, come on, really?
Right.
But the more I've been reading about it, the
Yeah.
more I'm like, okay, maybe there's something here.
It seems like it's tapping into this need for personalized design, right?
Yeah.
That's also easy and doesn't break the bank.
Yeah, and affordable. Exactly.
And the fact that it uses AI just makes it even more interesting.
Yeah, it's so cool. So we've got a ton of information here. Articles, user reviews. We even have some like technical analysis of the algorithms
Wow.
that it uses. So
That's getting deep.
our mission today is to figure out, is it all hype or is it actually as revolutionary as it claims to be?
I mean, right off the bat, what stands out to me is just how much this tool is trying to do.
Yeah.
Interior design, exterior makeovers, even landscaping.
It does a lot, right?
That's a lot for any design platform.
Yeah, let alone one that's powered by like AI.
I know.
It's crazy. And they're not just like offering cookie cutter solutions.
Right.
We're talking about over 75 different design styles. You can customize it.
Wow.
You can even shop for the specific furniture that's like in the designs.
Oh, wow. I didn't know about that. That's really cool.
It's pretty crazy. So it's super user friendly, right?
Yeah, that's what I've been reading.
Yeah.
Even if you have zero design experience, you can figure it out.
Okay, so walk me through how this thing actually works.
So you upload a photo,
Right.
right, of whatever space you want to redesign, your living room, kitchen, whatever, and then you pick a design style from their library.
So we're talking like minimalist, modern, bohemian, like all sorts of stuff, right?
Exactly, all kinds of styles. And then
Okay.
once you've got your picture and your style,
Yeah.
the AI goes to work and makes a whole new design.
Wow. But it's not just like a static image, right?
No, you can customize it.
Okay, tell me more about that.
Well, there are different modes,
Okay.
like beautiful redesign, which is kind of like a classic, more harmonious look.
Okay.
Then there's creative redesign, which lets the AI get a little wilder.
Oh, fun. So like one's a subtle refresh and the other's like a total overhaul?
Yeah, exactly.
I like that.
And then you can like fine tune how much the AI does.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so if you just want some ideas,
Mm-hmm.
you can just get suggestions.
Mm.
But if you want the AI to just go nuts,
Yeah.
you can let it do its thing.
It's like having the design partner that you can tell what to do.
That's a great way to put it. Yeah, it's all about finding that sweet spot between the AI's ideas and what you actually want.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And you mentioned furniture shopping.
Oh, yeah. This one's my favorite.
Okay, tell me.
It's called AI Furniture Finder.
Okay.
So you upload any picture, doesn't even have to be from Home Designs, AI.
Okay.
And the AI finds all the furniture in it and gives you links to buy it.
Wait, so like if I see a lamp in one of the designs and I'm like, I love that lamp,
Uh-huh.
I can actually buy it.
Yep, no more scrolling through endless websites.
Oh my gosh, that's dangerous.
I know, right?
I'm going to redesign my whole apartment.
It's tempting.
Okay, but before I do that, let's talk about what people are actually saying about this tool.
Okay, yeah.
Is it all just marketing hype or are people actually getting results?
That's the real question, isn't it?
So people are actually using this to like redesign their homes.
It seems like it. Yeah, from what I've seen, people are using it for everything, like
Wow.
quick room refreshes to complete overhauls.
Well, do you have like a favorite example? I want to hear about like a real transformation.
Oh, yeah. There was this one homeowner who was trying to figure out how to update their kitchen. It was like super dated, you know?
Yeah.
They uploaded a picture, chose a modern farmhouse style, and the AI just,
Okay.
it transformed the space. New cabinets, countertops, lighting, even a different layout for the island.
Wow.
And the best part is the homeowner actually did it.
No way.
Yeah.
So they took the AI design and made it a reality.
Yep. And it looks incredible.
That's so cool. It's one thing to see the AI image, but to know someone actually brought it to life,
I know, right?
it's amazing.
It shows you how powerful this tool can be. Like, it's not just for inspiration, it's actually helping people create the spaces they want.
So it's not just for like design enthusiasts or whatever.
No, not at all. We're seeing interior designers use it, real estate agents, even landscape architects.
Wow, so professionals are using it too. How are they using it?
So imagine you're an interior designer,
Yeah.
right? And you're meeting with a client who can't quite explain what they want. Instead of sketching a bunch of ideas, you could use HomeDesigns.ai to generate a bunch of options really quickly.
Oh, that's smart. So it's like a more visual way to work with clients.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It can save so much time and prevent misunderstandings.
It's like a virtual design assistant.
That's a good way to put it.
That's awesome. And you said real estate agents are using it?
Yeah, they're using it to stage properties virtually.
What do you mean?
Like they can take pictures of empty rooms and have the AI make them look furnished and decorated.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So instead of showing a buyer an empty room, they can show them what it could look like with furniture.
Exactly. It helps the buyer imagine actually living in the space.
That's really smart.
Yeah.
So we've talked about homeowners and professionals. What about other uses? Have you seen anything else?
Yeah, there are some online design communities using it in really cool ways.
Oh, really? Like how?
Like they have these design challenges where they'll upload a picture of a space and everyone submits their AI redesigns.
That's so fun. It's like a virtual design competition.
Yeah, exactly. It's a cool way to experiment and get feedback from other people.
I love that. Okay, so it seems like people are really getting value out of this tool.
Yeah.
But let's be real, this all has to cost money, right?
It does, but they have different plans for different budgets.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
What are the plans?
So there's the individual plan, which is perfect for homeowners who want to try it out for themselves.
Okay,
And then there's the pro plan, which is more for professionals.
got it. What does each plan include and how much are they?
The individual plan gives you access to all the basic features like uploading photos, choosing styles, generating designs, customizing the AI, and using the AI furniture finder. And it's insert price here per month.
That's not bad at all.
Right.
What about the pro plan? What extra stuff do you get? Okay, so the pro plan has all the bells and whistles, huh? What's the price tag on that?
It's insert price here a month. But
Yeah.
you get a lot for that, like higher resolution images. You can download them in different formats, which is perfect if you need them for presentations or marketing stuff. And you get the commercial usage rights too.
So if you're like a designer who's always making visuals for clients or a real estate agent who wants to use those AI pictures in their listings, the pro plan sounds like the way to go.
Yeah, I think so too. And you could actually save a lot of money with it, especially if you're paying someone else to do design work or spending tons of time doing it yourself.
It's kind of wild to think about, you know? This technology could really shake things up in the design world.
Yeah, for sure. We're already seeing AI in so many areas like architecture, furniture design. I mean, who knows what's next?
And tools like HomeDesignsAI are making it so easy for anyone to use.
Exactly. It's really democratizing design, which is amazing.
It makes you wonder, though, what does it mean for human designers? Will they even be needed in the future?
That's the big question, right?
Yeah.
I think AI is going to be more like a partner for designers, not a replacement.
Right. Like imagine it taking care of all the boring, repetitive stuff so that human designers can focus on the creative side, the stuff that needs intuition and understanding of what people really want.
So it's not about AI versus humans.
Yeah.
It's about AI and humans working together.
To create even better designs. Yeah.
I like that. And HomeDesigns.ai seems like a great example of that.
It really does.
Okay.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about this tool.
We have. We've covered the features, the costs, the pros and cons. The big question is, would you recommend it to our listeners?
You know, based on everything I've seen, I'd say yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Whether you're just looking to spruce up your own place or you're a design pro who wants to work smarter, or even if you're just curious about AI and design, I think it's worth checking out.
I totally agree. It's definitely an interesting tool. And it has the potential to make design more accessible, more affordable, and honestly, just more fun.
For sure.
And hey, maybe it'll even inspire some of us to finally tackle those home improvement projects we've been putting off.
That's a great point. All right, well, that wraps up our deep dive into the world of home designs AI.
Hope you enjoyed it.
We did. We hope you found it insightful and maybe even a little bit inspiring.
And if you want to learn more or try it out yourself, we've got some links for you in the show notes.
Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive, where we'll be exploring another fascinating topic.